On today's adventure, we are making Chicken Fettuccine Alfredo. Ooh, let's see what we're working with. Alright, this should be a fairly simple recipe. We got our chicken breasts. That's a lot of chicken breasts. That's over 2 pounds. Don't know if I'll need all of that. Of course, we got just ground pepper. We got some Alfredo sauce. We've got the pan for the chicken. Got some oil here. Of course, the fettuccine. American Beauty. Anybody remember that movie? What a chilling, weird movie. Of course, I got water ready to go for the noodles. And my gas 1 butane grill. I'll see you when I'm cutting the chicken. First thing we're going to do, of course, get into the chicken. So let's get into chicken. Yeah. Pull out 1 breast, but before I do that, let's get a paper towel down. And you'll see what I will do with this breast. I will take this chicken booby, put it here. We're just going to kind of dry it off a little bit. Just kind of get that a little bit dry. As I said, we're going to start out with 1 breast. I don't think we're going to need 2, but just kind of pat down the chicken booby. Make sure it's nice. And when we cut this, let's cut it into bite-sized pieces. Of course, Lucy wants to be a part of this. All right. Chicken breast is nice and dry. Put that down. And let's figure out our best mode of action. I think I'm going to do cut like this. There we go. Put that there. I kind of cut this. So let's start out with strips. And then we will go from there. Alright, got the little camping butane stove here and ignite. Go. That probably medium low right now. Put the pan on. Spray a little oil in it. Like so. And just wait for the pan to heat up. While we do it, I might as well have a beer, huh? Let's see. I am a basic bitch. I am gonna have a nice craft lager from Upslope Brewing Company, Boulder, Colorado. Very delicious. I'll see you guys when this heats up. Alrighty, now the pan is nice and heated up, so let's start adding the chicken. And I may have to turn this up or down. But try to keep them spread apart. That was 1 large chicken breast. That was about 1 pound chicken breast. So very good. The rest of it in here, like so. All right. Let's let this cook away. Yes, chicken was cooked perfectly. Now it is time to boil some water. The most fun thing to watch on the internet, right? Watching somebody boil water. I'm not going to make you guys sit through the boiling process of the water. I'll see you when I throw the noodles in. And just like that, we have ourselves a nice rolling boil. Now, to break it in half or to not? That is the question, isn't it? Let's see if we can put them in whole. Spread them out a little bit. There we go. The boiling process of the noodles begins. Well, got the noodles done. I am draining it as we speak. So we're gonna reheat the chicken a little bit, and then we will add the sauce. Can't wait for this meal. It smells so delicious. The onion powder and the garlic powder on the chicken, I feel like that was a great addition. I almost did Italian seasoning, but that didn't seem like it was gonna work too well. So, cook that up a little bit. Kind of just get the oils and stuff, just get this reheated up a little bit. May actually just drain the chicken itself before I add the sauce. So I will see you all when I'm adding the sauce. I got the excess grease and whatnot out of the chicken, so let's do this. Let's add the sauce. Just add the whole darn thing, why not? Down. My goodness, this looks delicious. Look at that. Ended up having the right amount of sauce, the chicken to pasta ratio. I will have leftovers for lunch tomorrow. But man, I can't wait to dig into this. This looks so flippin' delicious. Oh my gosh, let me scoot you guys back a little bit. There we go. Get me full in the frame, get this in the frame. I want my fork and a knife, just in case I need the knife. But I don't think I'm gonna need a knife. I will need a beer. So this time I'm having the Citra Pale Ale, Upslip Brewing Company, Floral Juicy Brilliant, 5.8% ABV. I hope the hoppiness in this helps bring out like the pepperness in this. Cheers, let's give the beer a sip. Ah. That's delicious. Citrusy, flavorful, insane. Now for the main event. Let's get a bite of this. Get some noodles. Get a piece of chicken. Cheers. That's hit the spot. That is so good. And it's easy to make. It's chicken, a chicken breast. I think it was 1 pound chicken breast. 8 ounces of fettuccine pasta and 15 ounces of the sauce. The perfect amount. This is, oh my gosh, this is so good. Just a little piece of chicken here. I know there's so many ways you can make this. So many different styles. I saw one recipe, excuse me, piece of pepper. Now, how'd you make the fettuccine Alfredo and cook the chicken breast as a whole and cut it up and put it on top? Yeah, that looks like a good way to do it too. But yeah, this is very tasty. It could have used some more seasonings, but other than that, you know, don't be afraid to use more garlic and onion powder. But I'm getting it in it. Look at that bite. But yeah, this came out very, very good. And it took me, I don't know, that one burner, right around an hour, a little less than an hour, let's say 50 minutes. Not too bad. That little burner, that gas one butane burner, man, it heats stuff up so quickly. Like, it's surprising that it heats stuff up so quick. And I'll use this. It's just a little butane can like this. So far, I've cooked 2 meals on it. I believe I could probably do a third with that one tank. And I think I have 8 others. So, amazing. Awesome. Take one more bite. Lucy wants to get involved as always. One more bite. Yeah, that is delicious. I'm gonna finish that up off camera, but we can't end. We gotta have one last sip, huh? Cheers, Beer Man. Cheers, everybody. Bubba Gut Brewing Company. My buddy Beer Man's channel. Check out Beer Man on YouTube. He does brew days. Bubba Gut Brewing Company, or Bubba Gut Craft Beers. My apologies. It's his craft beer company that he brews beer under. He does 10-gallon batches. A lot of traditional stuff, a lot of IPAs, a lot of stouts, a lot of very good beer. I've had a few of his beers. I wish I had a can next to me, I'd show you, but I've had several of his beers and they're great. I can't wait to check out more of his beers. But for this beer, the Upslope Citra Pale Ale, yeah, it goes really well with this meal. Very, very tasty meal. As again, easy to make. Anybody can make it. Even Lucy that's right next to me can make it. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure. Bye.